Welcome to my channel. My name is William, and today I will show you how to install this ceiling fan. I don't know if the owner bought it on display or what. There is no what you call it. There is no box on this one. It's already pre-assembled. Maybe he bought it, the one on display. You got it here. There's instruction on this one. And this one is you can use it with switch or with just a remote control like this. And this is the receiver. Okay. First of all, you need to what you call read instruction, of course. But the problem on this wire is it's written in Spanish. I don't know where I wrote it, but luckily I understand a little bit of Spanish, and it's only color coded. These are going to the they say throttle from the power, and this is from the wall, from the motor. And luckily it's color coded, blue, black, and white. There. Okay, I reconnected. So the way you do it is start from there, connect it, and put it in place. And this one I already connected before. I just put this in case they want to put switch, but with this control, you don't need to put the switch. And then, before I connect on this power, this is the main power, before I connect on this one, I turn off and use my tester to to make sure that there is no power. And this one is easy because there is, even though the instruction on this is Spanish, it's a color code. But I did not read this one. There is English on this one. Okay, and this is the way you what you call it, connect this is to this the square in the middle. Press it up to 10 seconds, and that light will blink. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It won't blink. Oh, there. It's working. It did not blink, but it worked. And that was number 2. Number 3. Number 1. And press it again. It will stop. Let's see. Maybe the light bulb is not. Oh, there. The light bulb. That is the light bulb. Press it again. Off. There. That is kind of strange. It did not blink. There are 2, but the other one blinked. Okay, so there. And off. Oh, let's do that. Let's do that. Let it all at the same time. The light and the fan. Okay. So it works. There. It's working. Turn it off. The light. Turn off the light. No. Okay, so it's off. Just turn it on number 3. Maybe start number 2. Number 3. There. Right. There. Okay. It's working. There are 2 here. This one and then the other one. So that's the way I install this ceiling fan. What they call this ceiling fan? It's a lightweight Minka Air. Air. I think air. I don't know. Air is Spanish, I think. Hey, Fernando. This is Spanish, air. Aire. Oh yeah, this is Spanish. Aire. Minka aire. According to Fernando. Aire. Okay, it's Spanish. Lightweight by Minka aire. Okay. And manual de instrucciones. The other one is Spanish. The other one is English. Actually, I did not read this because I saw the wire, they are color coded. So I did not read this one. The only thing I read is the how to connect to that wireless to this wireless control and connect to that controller. That control inside what do you call that? I forget the name. But anyway, that's all for now. And please, if you have any question, please write down on the comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so I can notify you on my next video. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.